What's up everyone, this is Kevin from Bitcoin for Beginners, and today I want to share with you my best coins to target during this recent market correction. And this is January 2017. And so before I dive in, I just want to share that I don't own all of these coins already. Rather, some of these are ones that I've kept my eyes on for quite a while, but didn't find a great value to jump in. So now that the market is dropping, maybe it's a good time to buy these. Furthermore, I'm not going to go into each coin very deep, rather just share a few reasons why I'm excited about it, and also take a look at recent price action. So let us begin. First one is Stellar. They have big name partnerships such as IBM. Some projects that aren't really happy with the performance of the Ethereum blockchain are switching over to the Stellar blockchain. For example, Kin by Kik. Finally, they have a top-notch team led by Jed McCaleb and also a top-notch advisory board. Just taking a look at the Stellar charts. These charts I actually got yesterday, but it was pretty steady all through last year and started rocketing in late last year, all the way up to over 80 cents in USD. And now that the market downturn has begun, the USD value is close to half of all-time high, and BTC value not too far behind either. So maybe a good coin to keep your eye on and put some descending buy orders at BTC ratios that make sense for you and that you're comfortable with getting into. Next one's Litecoin. I've talked about this one a lot, and actually I just had some buy orders execute for this earlier today. So a lot of people say Charlie Lee sold his coin so he doesn't believe in the project anymore. In fact, he still believes in the project a lot. He's dedicated to this full time, and he sold the coin so he wouldn't get accused of a conflict of interest. We all like to rail on Tron because Justin Sun just keeps on shilling. That's all he does, is just trying to pump up Tron's price when other founders are preaching responsibility. And so I still have faith that Charlie Lee is very dedicated toward the Litecoin project and has a lot of ways to go. And also, Litecoin is fast and cheap. It's a test bed for Bitcoin innovation. And finally, it's more proven than a lot of the other altcoins out there and has increasing merchant adoption as well. Here's a look at the Litecoin charts in 2017. The BTC value right now is still pretty steady with all-time highs of 2017, but the USD value has dropped more than half from its all-time high. And I still think Litecoin is undervalued in both BTC and USD value, so not a bad idea to buy some of this. Next one is QTip. This one has great tech that combines both Bitcoin's blockchain and Ethereum smart contracts. They do so by creating an abstraction layer that connects the Ethereum virtual machine and unspent transaction output blockchain models like Bitcoins. So best of both worlds, you can say. They're also focused on creating their platform for business applications, so that's something that's really cool. They're also termed another Chinese Ethereum. Compared to Neo, if you think Neo is going to do well in the Asian market, then QTip might be another coin to diversify some of your portfolio into. So once again, QTip in terms of USD value really skyrocketed late last year. Bitcoin value is also below all-time high, roughly half of it for the recent all-time high, but a little bit less compared to earlier last year. But still a lot better buy-in point than a few weeks ago. So definitely a coin to keep your eye on, in my opinion. The next one is Zcash. This is Edward Snowden's favorite privacy coin. And you know I like Monero a lot, but this is number 2 in the privacy space, in my opinion. They use a different approach. They use zero-knowledge proofs, or ZK snarks, for their privacy component. And this is pretty significant because Ethereum integrated this technology too into their recent upgrade. And they also have a really strong technical team. You can look up their identities online. They're inventors of ZeroCoin and Zerocash protocols, both really famous in the privacy and anonymity space as well. So USD value dropped quite a bit from all-time high, which was just recently, but Bitcoin value is still pretty low. All-time high was mid last year, and so not a bad idea to get into some Zcash if you do some more research yourself and find that it offers some privacy and anonymity features that maybe can offer a different approach to Moneros in that space. Finally, 0x. Now this is a protocol for decentralized exchange of ERC20 tokens. You know how much I love decentralized exchanges, including Kyber coming out real soon. But 0x is a slightly different approach. They are a protocol. They're not a decentralized exchange in and of itself. And what they're doing is to handle orders off the blockchain. And by orders, I mean orders to swap ERC20 tokens and settlement on-chain. So this tackles decentralized exchange issues of liquidity, speed, fees, and interoperability, all issues that that space is struggling with. And so currently there have been several decentralized apps and relayers announced that they are going to be using and integrating 0x protocol into their platform. So a lot of potential for this one in the future as well. So here are the charts. 0x really started to climb in both USD and BTC value in December of 2017, but now it's dropped quite a bit from its all-time high in USD and BTC values. So this is one that me and a lot of other of my friends have kept our eyes on and may be moving some of our portfolio into this as well. So once again, this is not financial advice, just purely my opinion. I don't have some of these coins, but I'm looking to get into some of them. And if you have any questions, comments, I would love to hear what are your top coins you have your eye on in terms of great value during this recent market correction. And I would love if you give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, share my channel with your other friends and crypto communities, and I will see you next time.